Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can claim these dresses that you need to play rounds to equip. So you just basically need to play Dress to Impress a few rounds. So that one required 5, this one required 3. You're just going to play a maximum of 5 rounds, I think. I don't know if it's per item or like 5 rounds will just unlock everything. So just keep playing it until you've unlocked everything. I think the lock ones are this one, the skateboard, and the skirt, and as well as the stuff in the VIP section. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.